another exercise I am telling you. That includes, breathing has three sides: inhalation, exhalation, and twice pause. Do you feel uncomfortable, son?
Yes.
Okay, so go there. He's honest though. He feels that he's being watched. No, that. Good boy, he's honest though. You see? Now there is another thing. Please pay attention. What do you mean by death? Death literally means when you inhale and you cannot exhale again. And when you have exhaled, you cannot inhale again. That's called death. We are dying every 2-3 times a minute. We inhale and then we don't exhale immediately. That pause is called death. So death means pause. A long pause is death. A short pause is a disease. To omit the pause is yoga. Are you understanding? So, when you inhale and exhale with this is very helpful. For all your mental problems, this exercise is unique. Suppose you have many, many problems. Your husband did not treat you well. Your mother, father did not treat you well. Your boyfriend did not help to them. Do this. You committed a mistake, leaning on others. Who are they to treat me and not treat me? I am individual. I have my own way. You see, as Tagore says, Ekla chalo. Make your own path. Why do you want to follow someone's path? Don't hurt, injure, harm anybody, yet you follow your own path. So, this exercise is very helpful to rid of all emotional problems and deep hang-ups. You don't create a pause. You don't allow pause to be created. You are aware that no pause should be created. If you do not do breathing exercises, you might create longer pause, which is not needed by your system, which surely will create disease, coronary heart diseases, many muscular diseases, many nervous diseases, for which there is no pill, no medicine. Let any doctor come forward and convince me that there is a medicine for that. Not at all. I am eating bad food, chips whole day from morning till evening. What doctor's pill will do it? You see. So is the case with breathing. Doctor can help you only when you tell doctor, I am committing this mistake. Swami can help you when you say, I have this habit. These three exercises are very important for you to do. All other exercises are meant to regulate the motion of lungs, prepare your breath, not to disturb your mind. If breath is harmonious, mind is not disturbed. If breath is perfectly harmonious, the mind remains in a joy. Have you heard the word dichotomy? There are two sides of the moon. One is bright side, one is dark side. But there is another thing. That's called trichotomy, like a fork. The trichotomy does not oppose dichotomy. Those three aspects should be together. Breath, harmonious breath, conscious mind, calming, learning to calm down, conscious mind, and learning to allow to come forward from the unconscious mind. They are linked. This whole process, they cannot be separated. They are not different. You are prepared physically, body is still, and the breath is calm. For a few days, please Don't do any mantra, don't do anything. You will enjoy. You will enjoy. Physical stillness, you will enjoy muscle. Relax muscle. You see. Breath. Harmonious breath, you will enjoy nervous system. And both muscles are very healthy. If you really want to enjoy your health, which you don't, when you are doing exercises there, I ask, what are you thinking? I am thinking of my girlfriend. This is not the time to think of your girlfriend. You are doing exercise, pay attention towards your exercise. If you train your mind to think what you are doing, you have done. So you have formed a habit. You think you are here, I don't see you, you are not here. Your minds are somewhere else. And when you are somewhere else, you are here actually. Why? Because you have never cared to train your minds. This process is going to help you. These three exercises are more profound exercises which will help you. Suppose you are a therapist, a doctor, a psychologist, a psychiatrist. Patient comes crying. Don't tell her that you are going to introduce a yoga exercise, a pranayama, no. Tell her to relax. Just teach her deep but diaphragmatic breath. It will help. Teach her 2-to-1 exercise. It will 100% help. These exercises have been proved very helpful. Scientifically. So I am not afraid of explaining to you scientifically. I don't care. If you challenge me, come on. Let's go to the lab and get them examined. They will come correct. Advanced exercises that Kathopanishad says, lower arni or upper arni, apana and prana. Up, they say. Prana pana gati, ruddha pranayam parayana, though nobody understands the meanings of it. The master says, prana and apana, this is prana, that is inhalation. Apana is exhalation. How do you join them together? How do you make these arnis together and create a fire? Because prana is a fire. Breath is a fire. How do you do that? By not allowing any pause. Then you control the pause. If you have controlled the pause, you have controlled death. Death can never come to your door if you know pranayama. Okay, you come. And I will not create the pause. Which way will you come and take me? Death will snatch your body when you have created the pause. There is no chance for death to come in if there is no pause. So pranayama means having control over the pause. That is the purpose of it. Winning, controlling the death. Death, in the progress of growth, the final stage is death. It's not a bad thing. But if you are not prepared, it's very bad. You see. So when you understand the mysteries of death, by understanding that moment when body separates from breath, doesn't function, body separates, this unit, breathing, conscious mind, this particular unit separates from another unit. That's called death. Death means separation, not complete annihilation. Yogi dies every day consciously and comes back.